Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a new episode of All About today. Today we're going to be talking about the blue-green Reef Chromis. Let's get started. Prices on them. You'll spend like $4. Super cheap fish. Tank size, you want like a 30 gallon. It could be smaller than that though. Care level, they are super easy. Temper, very peaceful. Reef compatible, yes. Temperature, you want to keep it 72, 78. Keep your DKH 8 to 12. Your pH 8.1 to 8.4. And your salinity 1.020 to 1.025. Now max size, they can get 3 to 4 inches big, but it takes a very long time. I know a guy that came in complaining because they got too big, but he had them for like 4 years, so it's a very long time for these guys to get big. Colors is that real nice blue, but you'll notice whenever the light starts to hit them at different angles, you'll see this nice real green reflective hit them. If you were to look at them from above, they would be completely green, so it's a really cool thing to have in your reef tank because it makes the corals look great whenever they're swimming around in their little pack. Diet, they are omnivore. Feed them normal mysis, frozen, brine, flakes, pellets. They'll pretty much eat anything. Just realize that these guys can be really aggressive when eating. They are going to be the first ones up there to take out the food. They run around like crazy, so it might kind of scare some fish if you got some that are kind of more chill. So just make sure you're feeding enough so your other fish get food too. Compatibility, just leave me a comment below if you're wondering. They can pretty much go with anything. Origin, they are from Africa. So these are really one of the best starter fish to get because they're very hardy and they're not mean like a damsel is. Yes, they eat aggressively, but they're not going to run around and start beating up your fish like a damsel would whenever they get territorial. Whenever you're grouping them up, you normally want to get 3 or more. A lot of times people want to get just 1 or 2 and they always seem to die. So make sure you get 3 or more and keep it in an odd number of groups. For some reason that's just been good for us. So anything else? They need peaceful tank mates. You don't want to put them in there with like a predator tank. They'll get eaten. We actually do have some customers that come in and buy them just to feed their lionfish, because the lionfish won't be fed on like a tong, so he puts live chromies in there and he goes at it. Really cool to watch, but you might not want that. So anything else? I think that's about it. Just recognize that they're aggressive eaters, so you make sure that these guys are going to get full, and then make sure your other fish get food too. But that's it for the chromies. Great starter fish. Definitely get these before a damsel. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other episodes. We're getting close to 100 fish done. It's pretty wild. But I'll see y'all later. Thank y'all.